Okay, so I'm in as a sample student and we're on our page and I'm in the activity section. So hopefully you're able to see all of these videos. She should be able to follow along with all of our math and reading assignments. And let's say she's on here and she watches this 8-2 math journal and it brings you to
Hello, people.
one of our video instructions, and then she follows along with her assignment on me. We'll go, or with me, and then we'll go back. And now that I've completed this assignment, I'll add a response. So for each assignment that we assign to them has an add a response. So you click this, and really there's the 4 best options right here is you can take a picture of your work and it will be in your photos. So you can select them from the computer or your tablet or a phone, whichever one you're taking it off. You could also take a picture and it'll bring up your camera lens right away and you can quick snap a picture of any work that's being done. You can use the drawing tool and write done if that's something she's interested in, or you can write a note and simply type done if she does not want to show me her work, but just so I know that this assignment is completed. So then you'll hit the green check mark, look one more time, green check mark, and once that's submitted, it goes to me and I accept it, and on the app, I know that she has done this assignment. It gets taken off of her Seesaw so that assignment isn't on there anymore, so we know it's completed, and then I have all the work in one spot. So I hope this helps.